Hey everybody, it's Ryan. This is a quick overview of this LED chain and how bright it is and the different features that come along with it. So this is what it looks like. It's orange in color. It is 9 feet long, and when it is dark, it's nice and bright. Close up there so you kind of see how big it is, how big each piece is relative to a hand. Very, very cool. It does come with a waterproof case that holds 3 AA batteries, and there's a little button on it, and it will allow you to cycle through a strobe effect, a effect like this, sort of a fading effect, a chasing effect, a little faster fade, and another strobe type chasing effect. And then there's solid. Very, very cool. And there's about a 2-foot extension from the piece that holds the battery to the first link. Hope that answers all your questions.